everybody. Behind me, the beautiful 4450 we're offering you on auction time. As you can see, guys, this tractor has had very good care. This has not been repainted. The rims have been repainted, the yellow, but that is original paint. This thing was always shedded. You've got front wheel assist, works absolutely good. You got the nice John Deere fenders. You got weights on the rear, insides and outsides. If you come around the back, you'll notice in the other video that the PTO brake is out. It sits there and spins as the tractor's running. 3-point works absolutely good. All around, guys, 4000 series John Deere's, extremely popular tractor. There's a reason for it, because they last forever. The hour meter is not working on this. We know it's got over 10,000 hours just talking to the owner. So we don't know the exact hours, but as you guys watch the videos, hear this thing fire up, it is an awesome tractor.